Welcome back to the channel, guys. Javi. La cabra. Hello. So we're back at it again today. Here's a Spyder. We are going to finally put in the 2ZZ. This is another 2ZZ turbo that Javi's working on for this GTS right here. But we're gonna be doing mine. Also, if you guys don't remember, this is also a turbo GTS as well. All right, let's see how far we get today, and you know, we'll see what we can video, and hopefully we can get everything documented, which would be, you know, yeah, let's see. Alright, so we hit a bit of a snag. Car is not getting any power, which is weird because it was getting power before. We don't know. We're stumped. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're trying to diagnose the problems that we were having with the car being dead and having no power. So came to O'Reilly's. Came to buy these two fuses to see if maybe that's the issue, based on some comments on Facebook on a post I made on MR2 Spyder group chat, and talking with some other buddies and stuff. Hopefully this fixes the issue. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned.